go to an amazing snorkeling trip. So we are here in Koh Noi. You know how from the beach we can see these beautiful rocks in the water? We're gonna visit them today. Yes, that's right. These places are amazing. We're just gonna have breakfast here at our hotel first, and then we also order some food to bring with us because the snorkeling trip offers food. Unfortunately, it's not vegan, so we can have the fruits there, and we are bringing our own lunch because we cannot stay without healthy food. Okay. Yes, I think that's it. I will show you how beautiful are these places in just a second.
Whoa, it's amazing. It's so beautiful. That's Koh Noi. You guys might remember we've been there. That exactly beach. Oh, floating piers! I dropped my vegan, cruelty-free sun protection.
This is the bench.
That's the way to go, guys. If you know us, you probably know we love to be on the beach. And what I love even more is to make a beautiful snorkeling trip like this one. The sun is shining, such a beautiful boat. The tides always put like beautiful flowers on the top of their sailboats.
Whoa!
This place is amazing, guys. It's really beautiful. You should be here.
It's so shallow, yeah?
Yeah, it's shallow water. It's not deep.
So beautiful. There's a mangrove right there. You wanna get a yacht and just park right here?
So we arrived to Koh Hong Island, where they have the national park. It's this island where you just saw in the video with all those beautiful, kind of a beautiful lagoon mangrove. We went inside this boat, and when you arrive to this island in this floating pier, you have to pay 300 baht to enter it, and because it's a national park, so it's a fee for conservation. And the place is fairly beautiful.
Oh, Lauladin Island. We did it!
We are now at Papia Island. Koh Papia.
So you can literally walk to the other side and almost drowning.
Do it.
Do you think we can do it?
I don't think so.
I think we can.
Oh my god.
Anyway, we could swim there, but I have my phone in my hand and the case is inside the boat. Woo, let's go, baby! Babies! We arrived to Monkey Island. So there are a lot of monkeys there on the board, and the tourists are giving fruits for them, bananas, papayas. We stopped by these rock formations on the neighbor island. Beautiful. They form a kind of a cave. We thought about swimming here, but there are a lot of jellyfish now. Oh yeah, come up on your screen, guys.
So we got a small rain over here. This is the snowman, my new friend. So he doesn't care about its cold. Yeah, look at that, guys. Woo! Topography! Whoa, there's a big rain. Okay. And here we are back to Koyonoi. Such a wonderful trip. We had everything today. Beautiful beach, hot sun, and a kind of refreshing rain. Have a look. The water goes down to the boat. Whoa, a lot of food. Oi!
Pad Thai and Pai Siwi, something like this. French fries and fried spring rolls arriving. Thank you.
All the ice cream are vegan. Banana, strawberry, vegan ice cream.
Vegan ice cream. Should tell you, I love it, all of them, and the dark chocolate is just delicious.